Maximum questions on string compared to. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
What Kamru? What do you have doubt?
Ma'am, ma'am, in the assignment, ma'am, while submitting, ma'am, I just made an error, ma'am, that assignment number, I just wrote it as 2, not 3. Ma'am, so what to do?
Oh, you have wrote it down as 2 not 3. You write that mail to the monitoring team. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You just mention your what problem you have done. You have just noted down. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I will send it to.
Monitoring team to whom you have submitted the assignment. Okay. What we have discussed in the last class.
Ma'am, we were discussing Fibonacci series.
We are discussing Fibonacci series. Okay. Let me clear the screen first. Just a minute. Let me share the screen first. Is the screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you have written the code for the Fibonacci series?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, Fibonacci series again.
Yes,
So, just a minute. I am repeating here again. Let this is my series. 1 plus 1 it is 2. 1 plus 2 it is 3. 2 plus 3 it is 5. 3 plus 5 it is 8. So this is my Fibonacci series. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? The new term is the sum of the
Previous two terms.
sum of the previous two term. Okay. So how we are going to write here? We are defining two variables. Let int a equals to, we will assign it as 0. Int b is equals to, we will assign it as 1. Then now we are going to take n. It will determine, ये क्या determine करेगा? How many terms?
Number of elements.
Generate the series. Let I take a counter variable int I. Now set the counter variable to 2. Why I have setting it to 2? Because you have generated how many terms already? 2 terms. Okay, 2 term already a b में लिख रहे हो. So here I am writing println or print a then space then b. Okay, so while I is less than equals to n. Now this loop you are going to write to generate the next terms of the series. Next terms generate करने के लिए लिखोगे. Now let my value of n here is 6. तो कितना term generate होगा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 5 we are going to generate. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
5 तक generate करेंगे तो क्या करेंगे अब यहाँ पे बताओ तो. Let I update I equals to I plus 1 मैं update कर देती हूँ. Then next क्या करेंगे?
एक टर्म लेंगे c.
int let I declare c here or c is equals to 0. C equals to
c plus b.
a plus b. Okay. Now let this is my a, this one is my b. So c will be क्या होगा? Sum of the previous two term. a plus b हो गया. उसके बाद क्या होगा बताओ?
Excuse me, ma'am.
मैम ए को बी एन असाइन कर.
Print. We are going to print the value of c.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? Are you getting my point?
Ma'am, अगर हम लोग C को C प्लस बी ले लें तो फिर ज़्यादा बेटर रह जाएगा, मतलब फिर एक्स्ट्रा वेरिएबल नहीं लेना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, I will come to that point. I am coming to that point. Okay, print C. उसके बाद क्या होगा बताओ? I is updated by 1. Print C हो गया. उसके बाद A equals to B. Now this will be my new A. ये मेरा नया A बन जाएगा. And C क्या बन जाएगा मेरा?
B is equal to C.
B equals to C. This one will become my new B. So this is the general way we are going to find the sum of the series. 0, 1. Now C is A plus B. So this is 0 plus 1 is 1 आ गया. उसके बाद this one will be my new A. This is my new B. अब कितना हो गया? A plus B is
2.
A plus B is 2. Now this one will be my new A. This one will be my new B. फिर C कितना आ जाएगा?
3.
3. Again, this one will be my new A. This one will be my new B. And C is your
5.
5. Okay. So 6 हो गया. Here 0, 1 हो गया. 2 less than equals to 6. Condition true. I 2 plus 1 हो गया 3. 0 plus 1 कितना आ गया? 1. Print 1. 1 print हो गया. A is B. 1 आ गया. 1 आ गया. Again 3 less than equals to 6. Condition true. 3 plus 1 is my 4. तो C का वैल्यू कितना हो गया? 1 plus 1 it is 2. Print C. C में कितना आ गया? What is the value at C?
2.
2. Now A equals to B. So A में अभी कितना आ जाएगा?
1.
1. And B में कितना आ गया?
2.
2. Again 4 less than equals to 6. Condition is true. 4 plus 1 is equals to
5.
5. C का वैल्यू कितना हो गया? 1 plus 2?
3.
3. Print C. C आ गया 3. Now A equals to B. तो A में कितना आ गया?
2.
B में कितना आ गया?
3.
3. 5 less than equals to 6. Condition is true. 5 plus 1 is 6. ये कितना हो गया अभी बताओ? 2 plus 3?
5.
5. Print 5. 5 print हो गया. Now A is 3. B value is
5.
5. ज्यादा प्रिंट हो गया क्या एक वैल्यू? ओके. 6 less than equals to 6. Condition here is true. 6 plus 1 it is 7. तो ये कितना हो गया? 3 plus 5 is your
8.
8. यहाँ पर प्रिंट कितना हो गया?
8.
8. 5. This one is 8. Now 7 less than equals to 6. Condition here is
False.
false. तो अभी कितना वैल्यू प्रिंट हो गया अपना? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. लेकिन मुझे कितना वैल्यू चाहिए?
6.
तो क्या करेंगे?
N minus 1.
-1 या फिर इक्वल टू हटा दें तो हो जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. सो अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल चेंज अवर लॉजिक. यहाँ पर I लेस देन n हो जाएगा तो, और ये लास्ट टर्म प्रिंट नहीं करेगा. ओके. सो हियर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? यहाँ पर कितना टर्म एट ए टाइम प्रिंट हो रहा है?
Single.
How many terms are printed in this particular while loop at a time?
1.
We are printing a single value, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we will change the logic. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे? लॉजिक को थोड़ा चेंज करेंगे. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Or my voice is breaking?
It's no, ma'am. It's fine.
Audible, ma'am.
Voices are breaking today, na? That is why I'm asking. Okay, let's come to this part. Okay, now here at a time, how many terms we are printing? We are printing
One time.
one term at a time. Now we will rewrite the code again in such a manner that one of your friend is telling we can print at a time how many term? दो टर्म को प्रिंट करेंगे साथ साथ हम लोग का कितना टर्म आएगा two terms will be generated instead of one term. So here I am writing the terms first, then you will write your logic. 0 and 1. This is my A, this is my B. हम लोग लिख सकते हैं Can I write A is equals to A plus B? Can I write in this way?
Ma'am, after printing 0 and 1.
After initializing A with 0 and B with 1, can I write A equals to A plus B? 0 plus 1 it will be
1.
1. ये हो गया क्या तुम्हारा?
New A.
New A. Can I write B is equals to A plus B? 1 plus 1 is your
2.
2. So नया B क्या आ गया अपना? 2. Again A plus B, what will be the value?
3.
1 plus 2 is? A plus B. 1 plus 2 is?
3.
3. Again B plus A. B equals to A plus B. 2 plus 3 is?
5.
5. Can I write in this way?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the modifications that I need to do in the code? Can anyone will tell me?
Ma'am, we will remove C.
I will remove C. C की जगह क्या लिखूंगी मैं?
A is equal to A plus B.
A equals to A plus B. Then
A is equal to A plus B.
very good. B is equals to A plus B. Then print
A and B.
A and B. Okay. Again, my code is not complete. Here, I value will be updated. अब I कितना update होगा? पहले केस में कितना वैल्यू प्रिंट होता था? प्रिंट
I plus 2.
C होता था. That is why here you have written I plus 1. अब दो वैल्यू प्रिंट करोगे तो I में कितना लिखोगे? I equals to I plus
2.
2. Again, there will be a little bit modification.
मैम तो ये जो सीरीज आएगा उसमें हम लोग सिर्फ इवन नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स को प्रिंट कर सकेंगे.
इवन भी हो सकते हैं और भी. बोली ना थोड़ा मॉडिफिकेशन चाहिए. क्या होगा तुम लोग बताना. ओके. You are the future engineers. So you are going to write the code in such a efficient manner that वो सारे केसेस के लिए काम करेगा. ठीक है. So here I am writing I. पहले से A B value it is printed. So here I am writing the condition I less than n. I equals to I plus 2. A equals to A plus B. Then B is equals to A plus B. Okay. Print. यहाँ पर print क्या करोगे? A and B. I का वैल्यू अभी कितना सेट है? What is the value of I?
2.
2. Now 2 less than equals to 6. Let it be. हम लोग दो केसेस लेंगे. One n is equals to 6 and another cases n is equals to 7 also. Okay. We will check for both the values. 2 less than equals to 6. My condition here is
True.
true. I equals to 2 plus 2 4. A का वैल्यू अब कितना हो गया? 0 plus 1 it is 1. Okay, I am repeating it. All of you check the codes carefully because it may happen that you will get this type of questions also. A equals to कितना हो गया?
1.
0 plus 1. Then B is equals to
1.
1 plus 1. 1 plus 1
1
कितना हो गया? What will be the value?
2.
2. Okay, print A, B. अब print कितना हो गया?
1, 2.
1, 2. Initially you have printed 0 and 1. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is the value of I? My value of I here is 4. I हो गया 4. Now, 4 less than equals to 6. My condition here is
True.
true. So 4 plus 2 it is equals to 6. A का value कितना आ गया? 1. A plus B. So 1 plus 2 it is 3. B equals to A plus B. तो 3 plus 2 कितना हो गया?
5.
5. So here the value that will be printed 3 and
5.
5. Okay. Now I value here is 6. 6 less than 6. Condition here is
False.
false. So how many step it is needed to print the value? कितने step में आंसर आ गया तुम्हारा?
2 step.
In 2 steps. But in the previous case, how many steps you need to run the code? कितने बार run किए थे loop को?
4 step.
4 times, isn't it? Now check for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now check for the odd number. Odd number के लिए देखो तो again reset the value. I equals to 2. 2 less than equals to 7. Condition is true. I equals to 2 plus 2. It is 4. So A is 0 plus 1. 1. B value is 1 plus 1. It is 2. 1, 2 print हो गया. 4. 4 less than 7. Condition is true. So I is updated. 4 plus 2. It is 6. A is 1 plus 2, 3. B value is 2 plus 2. Sorry, 2 plus 3, it is 5. Print 3, 5. I value here is 6. 6 less than 7. Condition here is
True.
true. 6 plus 2, 8. 8. ये कितना आ गया? 5 plus 8 is 13. तो ये कितना प्रिंट करेगा?
8 and
8 and 13. Now what will be the I value?
8.
8 less than 7. It is
False.
false. So how many values it is printing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
8 values.
8 values. But I needed how many values?
7 values.
So what will be the modification that I will do to the code?
Ma'am, we can use some if condition outside the loop.
We can use
If condition outside the loop. If I minus 1 is equal n, then we'll print A for A equal to A plus B.
प्रिंट है. हाँ बोले यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे और एक बार बताओ तो.
मैम मैम अगर उसके बाद इफ स्टेटमेंट लगाएं कि i प्लस वन इज इक्वल टू n हो जाए तो एक ही वैल्यू प्रिंट करें, ऐसा कर सकते
I plus 1,
No, ma'am. I minus 1.
I minus
1.
1,
Equal and
I minus 1 equal to
n.
n. तो भी क्या होगा, ऑड नंबर के लिए अपना कितना टर्म प्रिंट हो रहा है? 8 terms instead of how many terms? 7 terms.
मैम
हम्म
मैम ए जो b इज इक्वल टू a प्लस बी लिखे हैं उसके बाद इफ i प्लस वन इज इक्वल टू n देन प्रिंट a,
अच्छा, यहाँ
अदरवाइज
पर
एल्स।
बोल रहे हो
मैम
I
यहाँ मैम b इज इक्वल टू a प्लस बी के बाद।
यहाँ पर
यस मैम।
I if I plus n equals to
i
equals
प्लस
to
वन I प्लस वन इज इक्वल टू
equals
n,
to n.
then print a,
Print a.
else print a plus space plus b।
अगर मेरा I का वैल्यू 1 होगा, if my n value is 1, then वो तो लूप के अंदर ही नहीं जाएगा. For your statement, if my
Yes,
n value
ma'am.
is 1, it will not go into the loop. जाएगा क्या लूप में?
नो मैम।
तो क्या करेंगे? ये ठीक है, दिस पार्ट इज करेक्ट. पहले यहां पर को थोड़ा चेंज करेंगे ना. आई विल चेंज दिस पार्ट अ लिटिल बिट. अगर ऑड नंबर आ रहा है तो एक वैल्यू एक्स्ट्रा प्रिंट हो रहा है. देन आई विल चेक फॉर ऑल द पॉसिबल केसेस.
Ma'am.
यहाँ पर आई देखो तो ये काम करेगा. इफ आई लेस देन n माइनस 1, if I will write here I less than n minus 1, it will work.
मैम वो लेस देन इक्वल टू होगा ना?
n minus 1, n का वैल्यू कितना है? 7 है. 7 minus 1 कितना हो गया?
6, वो 6 तक ही प्रिंट करेगा फिर.
6 हो गया, तो 6 तक प्रिंट करेगा. ठीक है, 6 तक. हाँ
मैम आई हैव वन लॉजिक, मतलब ये वाला थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जा रहा है. एक सिंपल सा है कि while लूप के अंदर i इज इक्वल टू आई प्लस वन, फिर c इज इक्वल टू सी प्लस बी, और फिर प्रिंट c और b में c का वैल्यू है, b इज इक्वल टू c.
हाँ. at that time what you are doing, you are taking extra variable.
हाँ
You are taking extra variable and वो लूप को कितने बार एग्जीक्यूट करना पड़ेगा? You need to run for how many number of times? 4 number of times.
यस मैम.
Okay, but here I am showing ना, here यहाँ पे लूप को कितने बार रन करना पड़ रहा है? Only half of the time I am running the loop.
यस मैम।
हाँ, I am running the loop, half of the time I am getting the output. Okay, so which one will be the efficient? कौन जल्दी काम आउटपुट देगा? ये वाला कि the method that we have used previously, or
ये
you are
वाला.
telling me?
मैम दिस method।
This method it will give us answer in a faster way. Okay, अगर मेरा n का वैल्यू 100 है तो वो कितने बार एग्जीक्यूट हो रहा है?
50 टाइम्स। ये
50 टाइम्स. हाफ ऑफ द टाइम में मुझे आंसर मिल जाएगा. सो आई विल गो फॉर 100 नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स.
यस मैम।
Are you getting my point? If I am going to write I minus n equals to देखो तो क्या होगा for this particular case? Just a minute, I'm changing the code. It doesn't matter, ये जहां पर भी लिखो. Okay, so here I less than equals to n, a equals to a plus b, b equals to a plus b, a print a b, and I equals to I plus 2. So what is the value of n here? My n ka value, take for the odd number. N value here is
7.
7. So we will check here I starting from 2 less than equals to 7. Condition is true. A value will be 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, it is 2. So 1 and 2. I equals to 2 plus 2. 4. 4 less than equals to 7. Condition is true. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. यहाँ पर प्रिंट कितना करेगा? What will be the value that will print it? 3 and 5. Now what is the I value? So I value here is 6. 6 less than equals to 7. Condition is true. 3 plus 2 कितना हो गया?
5.
5. And 5 plus 3, 8. It will print 5 and 8. 7 था 2, 2 4, 2 6, 7 8. Now reduce this n. ये हो गया less than. If the condition here is less than,
मैम
हाँ,
मैम 3 5 के बाद 5 8 कैसे प्रिंट कर देंगे?
8 and 13 that will.
3 plus 5 it is 8 and ये हो गया 5 plus 8 it is 13. Sorry. Okay, sorry. ये 8 and 13.
Okay.
हाँ, अब 6 less than 7. तभी कितना वैल्यू प्रिंट हो रहा है? If it is I less than n, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 वैल्यू. यहाँ पर लेस n minus 1, n minus 1 हो जाएगा तो कितना वैल्यू प्रिंट होगा?
6 value.
If it is n minus 1, how many values it will be printed?
6 value.
6 values. तो ये हो गया कितना? 6 आ गया. 6 less than 6.
False.
Now my condition will be terminate. यहाँ पर terminate हो जाएगा. Isn't it?
Yes ma'am.
So what is the value in I? I में अभी तुम्हारा कितना है?
6.
6. N में तुम्हारा कितना है? What is the value in N?
7.
7.
7.
N में कितना है? 7 है ना अपना? N you have taken 7. यहाँ पर N minus 1 हुआ है बोल के 6 है. N में कितना है?
7.
7.
7 है. So can I write N minus I equals to 1?
Yes ma'am.
7 minus 6 equals to 1. Can I write it? Print A. Can I write this statement? Check it. जो तुम लोग यहाँ पर बोल रहे थे लिखने के लिए, I have written it. outside the while loop. देखो, are you clear?
मैम
or
ए में तो मैम ए तो चेंज नहीं ना हुआ
यस मैम, ये तो अभी 3 ही है ना।
मैम, उसको चेंज करना होगा फिर।
कौन सा 3 है?
हम जैसे जो
मैम
प्रीवियस जो रहेगा वो तो प्रीवियसली जो लूप के अंदर ए था वो तो जब लूप चलता था तो वो चेंज होता था, लेकिन अभी तो चेंज नहीं होगा, तो वही वाला वैल्यू ए का प्रिंट कर देगा।
यहाँ पर अपडेट हो गया ना, इतना आ गया।
मैम वो तो 6th वाला आगे नहीं गया ना, टर्मिनेट हो गया ना वहीं पे।
ओके 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 ओके, हाँ हाँ हाँ, वो टर्मिनेट हो गया। Yes,
Ma'am,
yes, yes.
you aren't audible.
I am not audible.
Now audible, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. I made a mistake. Just a minute. यहाँ पर I less than n होगा. Okay, I'm just clearing it. Okay, I made a mistake here. Yeah, I less than n. Rest of the code will be as it is. Okay, I minus n equals to 0. Now, do the execution pattern. अब देखो तो आ रहा है क्या आंसर? Now check it. What is the value of I?
2
I2. I less than n value is 7. I'm doing some mistake somewhere. Okay. A equals to A plus B. B equals to A plus B. Print A, B. Okay. 2 less than 7. Here 0 and 1 it is printed. 0 plus 1 it is 1. 1 plus 1 कितना हो गया? 2. 1 and 2. Now I is I plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 less than 7. Condition true. 1 plus 2 it is 3. Yes, we are not supposed to use break statement also. 2 plus 3 ये कितना हो गया?
5
5. Then print होगा 3 and 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 less than 7. Condition is
true
true. Oh. यहाँ पर प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट होगा. दैट इज द मिस्टेक आई एम मेकिंग. A, B. अब देखो तो. Now run the code. Okay. Print पहले आएगा. I am interchanging the places.
मैम तब तो 0 1 0 1 दो बार प्रिंट होगा।
नहीं आएगा. देखो, आई मेड अ स्मॉल मिस्टेक. वो मिस्टेक की वजह से पूरा कोड गलत हो गया. ओके, देखो 2 लेस देन 7. यहाँ पर प्रिंट कितना हो गया? 0 1. वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू रिमूव दिस 1. अब कितना प्रिंट हुआ? व्हाट इज द वैल्यू इट विल बी प्रिंटेड हियर? 0 1. यहाँ पर 0 plus 1 is your 1. 1 plus 1 is your 2. Now here high value is 4. 4 less than 7. Condition is true. So what will be the value printed?
1
1 2, यहाँ पर 1 + 1 is your
2
2, 2 + 1 is your
मैम 1 + 2
नेक्स्ट वैल्यू कितना आएगा? 0 1 1 2, 1 + 2 कितना आ गया? 3, 3 + 2 is your
5
5, 6 less than 7, condition is true, 3 and
5
5. Now 3 plus, sorry, 3 + 5 is your
8
8, 5 + 8 is your
13
13, यहाँ पर 6 + 2 is your
8
8, 8 less than 7,
false
false. अब कितना एलिमेंट प्रिंट हुआ देखो तो?
6
हाउ मेनी वैल्यूज? कितना वैल्यू चाहिए?
7
7. आई में कितना है तुम्हारा?
8
8. एन में कितना है तुम्हारा?
7
7. तो क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर बोलो?
n
आई
minus
माइनस आई माइनस
I minus n is equal to 1
आई माइनस एन इक्वल्स टू
1
1. तो प्रिंट क्या होगा?
a
ए. व्हाट इज द ए वैल्यू?
8
8. देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 वैल्यू आ गया ना?
yes ma'am
ओके. सो इफ द नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज विल बी इवन होगा तो क्या होगा? देखो आंसर आ रहा है. In even, you are getting the answer. Check it. Now, if n value is 6, n का वैल्यू 6 हो गया तो क्या होगा? For 2 0 1 4 के लिए इट इज ट्रू, 1 2 आएगा तो 6 के लिए क्या हो जाएगा? 6 less than 6, कंडीशन इज
false
फॉल्स हो जाएगा. तो यहां पर क्या करेंगे? अब आई का वैल्यू कितना है? व्हाट इज माई आई वैल्यू?
6
व्हाट इज द एन वैल्यू?
6
6. Can I write I minus n equals to 0 हो जाएगा तो कितना प्रिंट होगा? प्रिंट
a b
ए बी. ओके. Can I write in this way?
yes ma'am
Okay. Make the changes. Yash, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have used which statement? Break statement in your code, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will tell you another point. We are going to avoid this break statement. हम लोग ब्रेक स्टेटमेंट यूज नहीं करेंगे. Why we are not going to use break statement? Because remember the point, जब भी तुम लूप में अगर if दे के एक ब्रेक स्टेटमेंट देते हो, you are suddenly interrupting the code. Suddenly interrupt code करते हो. That is your bad programming practice. Okay. So अगर हमें ऑप्शन कुछ नहीं मिलता है, then we can use break. Otherwise, instead of break, you can just, if you satisfy the particular condition, instead of break, you can write I is equals to n plus 1. तो automatically क्या हो जाएगा?
लूप टर्मिनेट कर
लूप से टर्मिनेट हो जाएगा. ओके.
Okay.
हाँ. Write this code. Write this one. I am writing it in a way. If I minus n is equals to 0, print a comma b, else print, क्या प्रिंट होगा? A. If I am going to generate 3 terms at a time, then what I will do? what I am going to do, देखो मैं एक मिस्टेक कर दी थी. I have written this println statement after AB. Are you checking what are the problems we are faced in the program? हमें आंसर नहीं मिल रहा था. Okay, so whenever you are going to write the code, check it correctly. If I am going to generate 3 terms at a time, 3 term एक ही बार generate करना है, तो क्या करेंगे? But I am going to make the changes in the code. Anyone? What are the changes I am going to make? First tell me, are you clear with this one? Those who have doubt, raise your hands. Fibonacci, those who have doubts, raise your hands. Okay. Okay.
थ्री नंबर्स प्रिंट करने के लिए हम लूप के अंदर जहाँ पे आप पहले प्रिंट ए लिखे थे वहां पे फिर प्रिंट ए लिखेंगे.
देखो मैं और एक बार बता दे रही हूँ. आई एम रिपीटिंग द कोड अगेन. इट्स माई मिस्टेक. आई हैव डन अ मिस्टेक. ओके, सो जस्ट चेक इट. आई एम erasing all those things. Zero and 1, these two terms are predefined. It is A, this one is B. New term, it is generated by adding A plus B. So 0 plus 1, it is 1. Again, the new term, it will be generated by adding A plus B. तो ये हो गया मेरा क्या नया A हो गया? A plus B, 1 plus 1, it is 2. So by writing this way, we will generate 2 terms at a time. दो टर्म एक ही साथ जनरेट कर सकते हैं. Here I is initialized to 2. Okay, because the first 2 terms we have already been provided. पहले से ही हम लोग इनिशियलाइज कर रहे हैं A and B. So I को हम लोग 2 सेट कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पर I हो गया. This is my I less than N. यहाँ पर while loop से पहले कोई भी प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट नहीं रहेगा. प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट while loop के अंदर रहेगा. प्रिंट A B. A is equals to A plus B. B is equals to again A plus B. I is updated with I plus 2. So when my N value is 6, I हो गया 2. 2 less than 6, my condition is true. Print A B. A में 0 है, B में 1 है, print हो गया. Now change the value of A B. 0 plus 1, it is 1. यहाँ पर 1 आ गया. 1 plus 1, it is 2. यहाँ पर 2 आ गया. I is updated. 2 plus 2, this one is 4. I का वैल्यू अभी 4 हो गया है. 4 less than 6. Condition is true. Print AB. 1 2 print हो गया. A का वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा? 1 plus 2, 3. B का वैल्यू 2 and 3. 2 plus 3, it is 5. I is updated to 6. 6 less than 6, condition false. लूप से बाहर आ जाओगे. अगर लूप से बाहर आ जाते हो, कितना टर्म प्रिंट हुआ है? 2 4 टर्म्स. हाउ मेनी टर्म्स यू नीड टू प्रिंट? कितना टर्म्स प्रिंट करना है? 6 टर्म. So now I का वैल्यू अभी कितना है अपना? 6 है. What is the N value? 6. 6 minus 6, it is equals to 0. My condition is true. Print AB. AB में अभी कितना वैल्यू सेट है? 3 and 5. So it will print 3 and 5. So how many terms now it is printed? 2 2 4 2 6 terms. Are you getting my point? Now, if my N value is equals to 7, 2 2 less than 6, print A, B. Reset the values. 0 हो गया. A का value 1 update हो जाएगा. Yes?
And 2 less than 7.
Yes?
Ma'am, you have changed the value of n to 7, so 2
Oh,
less
okay,
than
okay. Sorry. 7, 0, 1. Here 1 and B value here is 2. Now 2 plus 2 it is 4. ये हो गया 4. 4 less than 7. Condition is true. It will print 1, 2. Again A value it will change to 3. B का value कितना हो जाएगा? 5. 4 plus 2 it is 6. 6 less than 7. Condition here is true. तो print कितना हो गया? 3 and 5. A value it will change to 8. B value will change to 13. 6 plus 2 it is 8. 8 less than 7. Condition क्या हो गया? False. It will come out of the while loop. Now what is the value of I? I में कितना है? 8 है. N का value कितना है? 7 है. It is equals to 1. 1 equals to 0. Condition here is false. If it is false, it will print A. A में कितना है? 8. देखो आ गया 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. This is how you are going to print the terms of the Fibonacci series. Are you clear? Are you clear
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Okay. Now my question is, if I want to print 3 terms at a time, 3 term print करेंगे तो क्या क्या modification करेंगे? I को कितना सेट करेंगे? I equals to what will be the value of I? What will be the value of I? Anyone? Yash?
Ma'am, 3.
3. And और एक वेरिएबल लेंगे. We will take another variable as
C.
very good. C.
C.
और एक वेरिएबल ले लेंगे. हाँ, C ले लेंगे. C को कितना सेट करेंगे?
A plus B.
1. C equals to 1. Same thing can't we write? A equals to A plus B plus C. B equals to A plus B plus C and C equals to can't we write in this way? Can't we write in this way to generate the 3 terms at a time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So accordingly we need to do यहाँ पर I equals to I plus कितना हो जाएगा?
I plus 3.
I plus 3. Okay. And accordingly here I minus 1 n equals to 0 फिर equals to 1
Ma'am.
के लिए हाँ
Print A, B.
मैम B तो मैम 4 हो जाएगा अगर वैसे लिखेंगे तो. हम जैसे A जो है 2 हुआ सेकंड
हाँ.
टाइम में और B जो है 4 हो जाएगा.
हाँ तब सीरीज चेंज होगा ना अपना. At that time our series will be changed to find the हाँ वो सीरीज चेंज हो जाएगा. 1 ये 2 हो गया, ये 4 हो जाएगा. Then this one will be 5. This one will be the series, not this one. Okay. If we are going to generate the
लेकिन
series
हम
in
लोग को
this
तो
way,
Fibonacci
हाँ ये भी फिबोनाची इसे हम लोग फिबोनाची नहीं बोलेंगे. We will call it again. It is another series. This one is also there in your assignment. Okay. To
Yes,
find the sum of 3 terms. Okay. Another one is also there as your Lucas series. एक Lucas series भी तुम्हारा है. It is there. All there. These questions are there in your assignment. Okay. So I am clearing the screen now. just showing you the questions. This one we have discussed right now. Okay. 13 and 14. And what I am telling is this one. ये देखो, ये एक series है. This is your Lucas series, and this one is the question that what I am asking you. A equals to 0, B equals to 1, and C equals to 1. Then the sum, first three numbers are 0, 1, 1. Other numbers are being generated by the sum of their most recent predecessor.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And this one is the Lucas series. Dekho, 1, 3. Next term will be 4. Means 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 3 plus 4 is 7. This one is your Lucas series. Okay. Lucas series में क्या करोगे? A equals to
1.
1 and B equals to 3. Okay. These are the homework questions. What I have discussed right now. These two are in the homework part. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I am clearing the screen. We will start method and rest of the programs. बाकी जितने भी सारे programs है, we are going to do using the concept of method. What is the method? Anyone can tell me? What is a method?
Ma'am, it is a block of code which execute when we call it.
Ma'am, a group of statements.
Block of code. Statements. Very good. Again, I will ask you one question. Are you organized any birthday parties or surprise party at your home? In general,
Yes, ma'am.
most of you have done it. What is the basic task of that one? उसे क्या करते हो तुम लोग? What you are basically, how you are planning it? Aditya Ranjan, are you there? Are you planning the entire party as an individual? खुद से ही सारा party plan करते हो? Or you are taking the help of your friend or your cousins?
Ma'am, we take help.
You take help, okay? So you are taking help means the entire work is divided among yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
ज्यादा एक से ज्यादा तो अपने साथ नहीं, 3-4 you will make a group of 3 to 4 people and you are going to plan accordingly. Okay, so similarly here in method, here what we are going to do, here when we take help from others, we are assigning some part of the task to them, or we are dividing the entire work among ourselves, and we are going to do the particular program or problem as an individual. उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करते हैं? We actually sit it together and plan the meeting accordingly. Okay, party organize करना है, 2-3 को we will keep together. 2-3 को अपने साथ ले लेंगे. Then we are going to divide the entire program into 2 to 3 parts. Okay, someone, it will be assigned with the guest list. कोई किसी को दिया जाएगा venue to check the venue. Someone will handle the finance. Okay, and the other one will handle the menu. And if you are having some event का चार्ज तुम किसी एक को पकड़ा दोगे. And all thing will be coordinated by a one person. कोई एक क्या करेगा? ये सबको coordinate करेगा. So how you are going to do? Once the part is divided among yourself, तो तुम लोग क्या करोगे? You are going to do some small task हर एक individual you are going to do small task. Okay, after all the task you are going to वो इसको inform किया to prepare the guest list to this particular person, and वो return क्या करेगा to that person, list of the guest. Similarly it will ask the other person to decide the venue. Again the person will return some result to the first one, finance. Regarding the finance he will ask to some other person, वो उसको return करेगा. Similarly you will plan the menu, वो planned menu उसको return करेगा. So accordingly you are dividing it and you are returning the some result. So here the process is known as your problem decomposition. This entire process is known as your problem decomposition, and it consists of the following steps. So what are the steps? Here you are going to define a problem, decompose the problems into the sub problem में divide करोगे, then we are going to define each sub problem को define करना पड़ेगा. Once you define the each sub problem, we are going to design a flow diagram, how the control will flow. Since this is my entire problem, this problem it is divided into 4 different sub problem. First task will be given to whom, वो return करने के बाद हम next task किसको देंगे. If it is going to return the sum result, then the next task will be given to whom. So accordingly we will plan. So for example, we are going to evaluate one expression. Now my expression here is 6. This is the question. 3 plus 5. Now my question here is 3 plus 5 into 7 minus 3 whole divided by 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. Okay. Or 3 plus 5 into 7 minus 3 divided by 6 minus 4. This is my expression. तो पहले क्या करोगे बताओ तो. First, which operation you are going to perform?
Division. No, ma'am, subtraction.
Subtraction, 7 minus 3. Then next, which operation?
6 minus 4.
6 minus 4. तो ये result return कितना करेगा? 4. It will return 2. तो 4 हो गया, 2 हो गया. So what will be the next operation?
4 by 2.
4 by 2 करोगे. What will be the answer? 2. तो यहाँ पर 2 आ गया. उसके बाद क्या करोगे?
3 plus 5.
3 plus 5.
3 plus 5. It is 8. Okay, the answer here is 8. Then
Into 2.
8 into 2. 16. So the entire problem here you are dividing into small unit, isn't it? First,
Yes, ma'am.
subtraction will be performed. Okay, so first all the bracket operation is going to be checked. तो पहले क्या है, जो छोटे छोटे brackets है, we are going to solve this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, then the large, this whole. उसके बाद कौन सा bracket operation होगा? This one. And at the end we are going to perform this operation, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसे नहीं होगा. Your bracket is are of higher priority according to our logic programming. Brackets are higher priority. तो पहले inner brackets सब solve होंगे. Okay, this is right. 7 minus 3 होगा, 6 minus 4 होगा, and 3 plus 5 भी होगा. Then we will solve for the outer bracket. Next कौन सा है? This bracket. And at the end we are going to solve for this outer bracket. Okay, so this is how we are going to divide our program. It's already time. Thank you all. We will discuss it in the next class.